JR the mechanic again here. We got another 6.4 here, and this one came in because it was weird. It was actually pretty weird because when this truck, I went to go drive it, the guy says that it would act weird, and when he first showed up, the truck would idle up and down kind of weird, like it was weird. And then I went to go drive it, and it wouldn't misfire. It was fine, but then all of a sudden, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hit the gas pretty hard. So I hit it just enough. Sure enough, cloud of smoke started coming out of the pipe, and it almost wanted to accelerate on its own. Like, you gotta be careful because sometimes these trucks, once they start accelerating, there's no way you're gonna stop it. So I quit messing with it. Came back, took the valve cover off, and we switched one of the injectors with another good one. It was it's Rob the Bob right here. Once again, we switched out this guy with this guy, and the misfire stayed over here. So now we've done a leak down test. If you guys, this is the tool, and did a leak down test. You buy this tool, it actually tells you the instructions there, and then this fitting. You know where the other one is, bro? The other one? Okay. So you gotta make sure you have this fitting too, though. That one. So this one here was good, but this one here was losing a lot of pressure. So we stuck this hose down in the crankcase. You can hear it in the crankcase. And when we start the truck and with the valve cover off, you can hear it. You can hear it when it was on. And so we think it might have a melted piston. We're gonna take the head off and see what happens. But this is a fun one. We've been on it quite a while now. You guys want to move the hammer? Yeah, we can help you. And we got the 6.7 is almost done. We're doing the transmission and the pan. You want to move the hammer? That's it.